Hi friends! I'm so excited to see you again today. Today is Wednesday, or miércoles, and the date is August 26th. So I'm back on my classroom, which you guys have been using for the last few days. So you should be really, really familiar with it. So if today is Wednesday, I'm going to click into Wednesdays. Whoa! Look at all this really cool stuff in here. Is there anything new that you notice in this classroom? Yeah, I see some of that cool new stuff too. Well, let's look at one of the new things that you might see. Now, I don't want to give it away, and hopefully you've already looked for it, but it says that we need to find the pattern blocks. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to look for it before I find it and get into it. And then I'm going to pause my video when I click it so you don't know where I see it. Okay, I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to click into it because I want you to have to find it on your own. All right, I clicked it and I'm in my pattern block. So the first thing I see says click here. And that's going to tell me where my digital tools are, or my online tools are for learning. So I'm going to click here. Whoa, look at all these cool shapes. What are some shapes that you see? I'm hearing rhombus, square, triangle, very cool. So let's go back to our assignment and see our directions for today. So the directions say drag the triangle. So let's go back here. Which one is the triangle? That's right, this is the triangle. How did you know that this was a triangle? What are some attributes that you saw? Yeah, those are all attributes that it has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Then it tells me to drag a square and an other shape. So I'm going to drag this square. And it's telling me to drag something else. I'm going to choose this rhombus. Ooh. You can keep on dragging these as much as you want. And I want you to explore over here what this button does. So this button starts it over, and this one looks like, ooh, it could draw its own shape. So if I do this, this might just be able to move it around. So that's kind of cool. It can draw its own shape, and then I can put things in that shape. Wow. So anyway, I'm going to build something that looks a little bit like this. Ooh, and it looks like if I hover, I can actually turn it. You see how I'm turning it a little bit? So there's a lot of really cool things you can do with these shapes. So I might want to make gotta hover, and then I'm going to turn it this way, giraffe. Do you think that looks like a giraffe? Maybe kinda, maybe not really. But whatever I make, I'm going to want to take a screenshot of. Now I'm going to put a video. Oh, I love this giraffe. I need to put some legs here. Anything else you want to make, and then I can hover over this way and turn it. If I wanted the giraffe to have a little bit of a tail, maybe. This is kind of silly. I'm just playing around now. But anyway, on another video that you see, it's going to show you how to screenshot. Once you screenshot, I'm going to show you on a different video how you are going to upload it onto Google Classroom. So let's pretend that you've already screenshotted. I'm going to go back here, and the next direction says take a screenshot of your creation and upload it to Google Classroom. If I click on screenshot right here, that brings me to directions on how to do it. So on your PowerPoint, you're seeing the same picture I'm seeing where it says how to take a screenshot, and then it has your keyboard. Your keyboard looks a little different from my keyboard. You're going to press those 2 buttons on your keyboard right there. And then your little screenshot, your little picture is going to come up in the corner of your screen. Once it comes up in the corner of your screen, it's saved to your computer. Now that it's saved to your computer, you can go to the other video to show how to upload that picture on your Google Classroom. I really want to see what exciting stuff you guys can come up with today. I'm going to go back to home and make this big. I am so excited to see some really cool creations. Maybe somebody could make an elephant. Maybe you could make a gumbo. Gumbo's just sleeping. He's always sleeping. Maybe you could make Miss McIntyre's glasses. You could make a phone. That'd be kind of silly, just a rectangle. Maybe a marker. You could make a water bottle. You could make some keys. What are some different things you can make? I can't wait to see. And actually, I'm going to shout out the person who makes the most creative, awesome thing out of these blocks. So have a lot of fun. And if you need to know how to upload the picture, look at the other video.